Hello everyone. In the previous video, we learned and understood the chapter 3 questions. In this video, we will do question answers and text exercise. First, let's revise the chapter through this mind map. A king wanted answers to his 3 questions. And the questions were, what is the right time to begin something? Which people should he listen to? What is the most important thing to do? He announced reward for those who gives answer to his questions. Many learned men, ministers, wizards, etc. came and answered, but king was not satisfied with anyone. So he went to a famous hermit in disguise to get answers to his questions. As the hermit only met common people, disguise means to hide your identity. King helped hermit in his work and helped a wounded man who approached them. King learned that the man was his enemy who had come to kill him. But he made peace with the enemy and felt happy about it. Through his experiences, the king got answers to his questions. And the answers were, the most important time is now, the present. The most important person is the person you are with at the moment. And doing good to others is the most important business. Now let's see comprehension check. First on page number 10, it may vary in your book. Please check it. Why did the king want to know answers to 3 questions? And the answer is, the king wanted answers to his 3 questions as he thought if he knows the answer to these questions, he will never fail in his life. Messengers were sent throughout the kingdom and the answer is to find answers to the questions. Now, complete the following sentences by adding the appropriate part of sentence given in the box. From box, you have to complete the sentences. Many wise men answered the king's question, but their answers were so varied, varied means different, that the king was not satisfied. Someone suggested that there should be a council of wise men to help the king act at the right time. Someone else suggested that the king should have a timetable and follow it strictly. The king requested the hermit to answer his 3 questions. The king washed and dressed the bearded man's wound, but the bleeding would not stop. Let's see question answers. Why was the king advised to go to magicians? Wise men suggested the king that in order to decide the right time to do something, it is necessary to look into the future and only magicians could do that. Hence the king was advised to go to the magicians. Next question. In answer to the second question, whose advice did the people say would be important to the king? Second question was, whom should he listen to? So people suggested different things to the king. Some suggested he should listen to the counselors. Others said he should listen to the priests. Some suggested doctors. Others suggested soldiers, etc. are the most important people to the king. What suggestions were made in answer to the third question? The third question was, who is the most important? What is the most important thing to do? As an answer to the third question, some advised science, some others said fighting, some said religious worship, etc. are the most important things to do. Did the wise men win the reward? If not, why? No, nobody won the reward. Why? Because the king was not satisfied with anyone's answer. Question number 5. How did the king and the hermit help the wounded man? The king washed the man's wound and redressed it until it stopped bleeding. He gave fresh water to him. The king and the hermit both took the wounded man inside the hut and made him feel better. Next, who was the bearded man? Why did he ask for king's forgiveness? The bearded man was king's enemy who had come to take revenge as the king had killed his brother and seized his property. And the bearded man asked for forgiveness as he intended to kill the king, but the king saved his life. Next, the king forgave the bearded man. What did he do to show his forgiveness? The king not only forgave the bearded man, but said that he would send his servants and his own doctor to look after him. And he also promised to give back all his property. Last question. What were the hermit's answer to the 3 questions? Write each answer separately. Which answer do you like the most and why? So the hermit's answers were, the most important time is now, the present. The most important person is the person you are with at the moment, because you never know what is going to happen in future, whether you will be meeting anybody else or not. And doing good to others is the most important business. Now, which answer do you like? You can write and comment and tell me why do you like that answer the most. Here you have to match list A with list B, working with language. So wounded means severely injured. Awoke means got up from sleep. Forgive means pardon. Return means to give back. Pity means to feel sorry. Beds are small patches of ground for plants, and faithful means loyal. And you can use them in your own words. Just use all of them and let me know if you get them correct. Now, in the bracket, a word is given and you have to use the correct form of words in the blanks. So I have done it for you. Like first one, he has promised to help. Do you think he will remember his promise? So you have to use the word appropriately. Okay, like the judge said the only fresh evidence would make him change his judgment. Similarly, I have done this for you. You can tally it or you can do it yourself and let me know. And last question is to test your speaking ability. What you have to do is you have to imagine you are king, narrate the incident of your meeting to the hermit. Begin like this. The wise men answered many questions, but I was not satisfied with their answers. One day I decided to go and meet the hermit. And similarly, you can go ahead. You can also write it in the form of a diary. Okay, just do it and mail it to me at aksenglishclasses@gmail.com and I would see your creativity. Okay, similarly, you can do second questions as well. So this were about question answers, students. Thank you for reading the chapter, listening to it carefully and having patience. Bye-bye. Take care.